Good day, students, and welcome to Science M.1 with Merivit Education Center. Now let's get started with the lesson part. Here are the 3 things that you will be learning today. You will be able to list the uses of metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Illustrate the effects of using metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Participate and complete the activity diagram being prepared for you. In the past episode, we learned about the properties of metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Today, let's learn some of the uses of metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Are you ready? Metals are most important in our daily lives. Why do you think that is so? Right. It's simply because metals are strong, malleable, ductile, and have high boiling and melting points. Vehicles and bridges are made from iron, as this material is strong and easy to press into desired shapes. Without them, society would fall apart. Am I right? Do you love watching movies and playing with your phone? Now, if you enjoy watching movies using your phone, well, you probably use silver and steel without you noticing it. We can find steel and silver in televisions and phones, and these silver and steel are metals. Our life is much easier with these kitchenwares made from metals, as they are good conductors. We can cook and boil water using pots, pans, and kettles that are made from steel or aluminum. These materials are all made from metals. Do you know what materials are the household items and home appliances are made of? Or even the house you lived in? Right. They are either made from iron, steel, copper, and aluminum. Now, how about jewelries? Do you like jewelries? Do you have any idea what they are made up of? Exactly. Most jewelries and ornaments are made from gold, platinum, and silver. These are all metals. Platinum is also used in medical equipment, like this stethoscope. Have you ever seen a thermometer? Excellent! Did you know that mercury is used in the thermometer? Excellent! Yes, mercury is used in thermometers, and mercury is metal. Metals are also used to make machineries, cars, and weapons. Now, how can we stop metals from corroding? Perfect! Zinc are used as a protective coat for some other metals to stop them from corroding. Example: ships are coated with oxide of zinc to prevent corrosion from the salty seawater. Now let's find out some uses of nonmetals in our daily lives. Like metals, nonmetals also have an effect in our lives. They are absolutely essential to human life. Living organisms are made up of organic compounds. We couldn't have amino acids and proteins without nitrogen. The air you breathe in, where do you think it came from? That's right. Nitrogen and oxygen are both nonmetals. Have you ever been wounded? Iodine is used as antiseptic to clean wounds. How can meteorologists predict bad weather? Excellent. Helium is used in weather balloons as one of the instruments that meteorologists use to detect bad weather. Do you know what fuel is used in rockets? Excellent. Liquid hydrogen is used as rocket fuel. Carbon is known as the king of all elements because carbon is one nonmetal which is present in all living things. Can you name some things that are made from carbon? Fabulous. Carbon, other than being present in all living things, is also used in pencils, batteries, filtration, and many other purposes. Phosphorus is used in making safety matches, crackers, germicides, explosives, etc. Do you know sulfur? Well, sulfur is used in preparation of medicines, gunpowder, acids, and a lot more. Hydrogen is used for many industrial purposes. What makes up almost half of the Earth's crust, ocean, and atmosphere? Amazing! Oxygen makes up almost half of the Earth's crust, ocean, and atmosphere. Oxygen cylinders are used for breathing in emergency cases. Nitrogen is not just used by plants, it is also used in manufacturing of ammonia. Do you know that the water you drink is being purified? Chlorine is used in bleaching and liquid bleach, which are used for cleaning purposes, but is also used for purification for drinking water supplies as it helps in killing the bacteria. Diamond is used in industries for cutting of glass. Noble gases like argon, krypton, and xenon are used in all kinds of colorful displays where glowing signs are utilized for advertisement purposes. We are done with the important uses of metals and non-metals in our lives. But there are still some elements that you might not encounter or want to encounter during your daily activities. Let's explore the uses of metalloids in our lives. I'm sure you've seen computer chips, contact lenses, and fireworks. Do you know what they are made from? Wonderful! They're made from silicon. But aside from these uses, silicon is also used in breast implants. Semimetals or metalloids are also used in many biological processes. Boron is used in borosilicate glass. Boric yarns are used in aerospace structure. Do you know why? That's right, because they are lightweight but possesses high strength. Now, how about boron carbide? Amazing! Boron carbide is used in creating bulletproof vests. Do you have TVs and cameras at home? Of course you do. How do you clean them? Right. With the use of polonium and antimony, we can clean cameras' lenses and photographic films as well as remove the microscopic bubbles from the TV screen. If you have cars and solar panels at home, then you are using arsenic and germanium. Arsenic, aside from being used in treating cancer, is also used to strengthen the alloy of copper and lead, which are used in car batteries, while germanium, aside from being used in electronic devices, is also used in solar panels to increase efficiency. Lastly, bismuth is used in fire sprinklers. Complete the illustration above for the effects of using metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Choose one from the given examples on the previous discussion. This is how your illustration will look like when you are done. Do we have the same illustration? Well done! Happy learning, and see you in the next episode.